Hey folks, MACT back at MACT's Garage, and I have this M12 Milwaukee's Hackzall reciprocating saw. Now, this is not my first go around with this baby. The first one, as you can see in this video, I bought to cut some toe links out of my Ford Edge, and it worked fantastic. It worked great. And then I've had it for a good year and a half or so, 2 years, and I had to use the warranty. Now the warranty for this is 3 to 5 years, depending on what you got. But what happened was the switch failed, and all I was doing with it was sawing some tree limbs off with it with a very aggressive blade, and the switch started not working. It would work, then it would stop. It'd work and then stop, and then anyway, true to the word, I took the Milwaukee to a Milwaukee service center, and of course they said, well, we got to see it before we can warranty it out because we want to make sure it wasn't abused. Well, it had hardly any marks on it. I only used it on occasion. There's some wear on it, but just from normal use. It wasn't broken in any way physically or damaged or even looked like it was abused. Just gently used is all it was. So they took it, and then they says, well, we'll try to fix it. And it does have the 5-year warranty. Okay, so I was in luck there. I could pull up a receipt, you know, the archive stuff, but anyway, the date is on the tool also, so that also helps for the date of manufacture. So it was under warranty. They sent it in. I was thinking they're going to repair it, but in reality, I guess they don't repair things, because what they did send me was this brand new one. And the funny thing was, I had the tool, I brought it in, and the lady was gonna, say, okay, just leave with us. And I says, well, how about you give me a receipt with the serial number on it that I gave it to you? That way I have something to say that you owe me a saw. So she wrote one out for me, and didn't argue too much. It made sense, common sense. But this is what Milwaukee sent back. I went and picked it up, and I got a brand new saw out of the deal. It doesn't look like it's been refurbished in any way, but yeah, brand new. Either that or they seriously refurbished it, but this is not the same one I got. She did mark it on the inside with the date that she turned it over to me. I guess one could erase that easy enough, but either way, I do have the new hacksaw, and it is brand new. Comes with everything except for a battery. Now we're going to go ahead and put this battery in, and this is a XC 6.0 M12 battery. And let's see what we got. Okay, I got a fair amount of charge left in there. Switch. So it all does seem like it's working pretty good. I haven't had a chance to use it, but I just wanted to do a follow-up on this to say, hey, it does have a 5-year warranty, and Milwaukee honored the warranty, so that is a good thing. And I got me a brand new hacksaw that hopefully the switch don't break, because that is the weak part of this, in my experience, is this switch. So don't hesitate. If it doesn't want to run, get that switch or get the unit in for warranty, and I think you'll be good to go. But just wanted to relay my experience on this hacksaw, and let you know the warranty is served by Milwaukee. So for a DIYer like me, 5-year warranty, that's a pretty good deal. Make sure you like, subscribe, join MACT Garage. Hit the like button on this video, and also subscribe and join MACT Garage on Facebook and MeWe, because that's where you can find me, and I try to do tool reviews, and in this case this is a long-term tool review with a warranty replacement.
Thank you for watching MACT's videos, and remember to like and subscribe. This is a Mercy Girl production.